Well, it's not looking very good at all. It's actually a trending lower market. And while we saw cuts in the morning itself, it's getting deeper and deeper. Now 1.3% knocked off on the Sensex. That's a 450-point cut, no less. And that's not the worst performing index at all. The worst is the mid-cap index, which is down 1.8. We have Ashwini Gujral back with us. Ashwini, I mean, I'm sure people would have taken short positions because it didn't give you any other indication. But is it worth entering even now with short positions?
So if you recall, from Friday, this sort of trend change has happened. I think now you are getting fairly close to 10,500. So this is a time when you start taking it off. Now you have 180 stocks positive and 1370 on the declines. So things will tend to get overdone as we get closer to 10,500. So now if you have shorts, possibly 10,500 becomes a nice target. But the way this is going, it looks a bit gory because obviously there is some anticipation getting built of a further US fall.
If you were to take a fresh short position, Ashwini, at what level would you look to take it at? As you're saying, you're already making money if you took it at higher levels. So 10,600 odd level, that'll look like a good level to take a fresh short?
See, basically, in the last basically 2.5 days, you've fallen almost 400 points. So anytime you get a rally back towards 10,680, 700, and remember that this is a low volatility, high volatility market, low liquidity market. So a 150-point rally because Dow goes up 600 points is not a big deal and will not change a whole lot. So right now you are in bad sentiment. Let the sentiment come up a little bit. I think 10,680, 700 should be a good time to get short. Similarly, 26,900, 950 will be a good time to get short on the bank Nifty. But now possibly the first leg may be just getting over.
Okay, and finally, I just want to ask about Yes Bank even earlier before we run out of time. I mean, it's fallen a great deal after rising for about 2 weeks in a row.
See, all those were pullback rallies, and 150 possibly may hold up, or if things get worse, even that can get taken out. See, if it's a bear market all over the world, everything is down 20% from the highs in terms of indices, then your odd Yes Bank will not be able to survive that.
No, I agree. It isn't surviving. It's already down about 3.7%. Thank you very much, Ashwini. It's not been a very easy morning of trade at all if you were a bull. But good luck to the bear. At the moment, we are seeing some kind of support or some kind of flatness emerging around the 10,540 mark. That is the place where the 20-day moving average comes in. So maybe there's some hesitation and some short covering, but we will have to see whether that holds at all. And so much will depend on how the global markets pan out. We wrap up on Bazaar. Lots of trading ideas lined up on Chartbusters in just a minute.